Okay, so to chop an onion, gonna cut off the tip, cut it in half through the root, and peel it, which I did off camera because I didn't realize I hadn't been recording. Okay, so you're gonna take the knife and cut parallel along the onion, not quite through the root. You're just gonna chop it like so. Okay, so this next part, I have seen some people say it's not necessary to go in or cut through. The argument is that since onions have layers, that this step is unnecessary. But I do find that there is a difference. Now that you've cut into it, just chop down. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a glove on my hand, it's because I got in a fight with a macaw and lost. Okay, and just with this end bit, do like so. If you want to go ahead and mince this, line it up like so, and chop. Make another line going the opposite, and continue to chop.